Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add sub-bullets in Google Docs. If you want to add more bullets to your documents, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Google Doc app. Now open it. Then tap onto the plus sign button right here and make a new document like this. Then tap onto new document. Now add the name of the document that you want to create. After that, type anything that you want to add to your document. And then here you can find the 3 lines right here. Now tap on it. You can see the bullet has been added to your document. Now to add the sub-bullet, tap on to written button right here. Now you can see the sub-bullet has been added. Now you can add more sub-bullets to your documents just like this. And that's it. This is how you can add the sub-bullets on your document using Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.